Welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today, au menu classique chicken Caesar salad. This salad was created and invented by Cesare Cordini, Italian chef, in 1924 in Mexico. On its original form, that salad was prepared and served at the table. For mine, I use chicken. So let's do it. So, ingredients. We need some Roman lettuce. I've got some sourdough today, but you can use ciabatta for the croutons. I've got some chicken breast and a little flour. I'll show you later. I've got some Parmigiano, formaggio, cheese, and to make the dressing we need Dijon, mustard, a dash of Worcester, an egg yolk, lemon juice, garlic, anchovies, extra virgin, salt and black pepper. So let's crack on. So first of all, we're gonna make the crouton. For that you need to turn your grill on, your oven on grill setting. Okay. We're gonna chop the bread right roughly. Right, a little olive oil on the plaque. Put our crouton. Little salt. And one garlic clove, just roughly chop the garlic. That will do. Goes with the bread. We add another little olive oil. Just mix it roughly. In the oven until golden, about 10 minutes, something like that. I'm gonna get my romaine ready. Just get rid of this and the outside. And we're gonna give it a wash. Cut it roughly as so. To be washed. Right, 10 minutes or until golden. Here comes a crouton that you can reserve. Dressing time. So, egg yolk goes free range, always better. Egg yolk. Generous helping of Dijon mustards. There we go. Mix the two together. This is basically a mayonnaise. And we're gonna add the extra virgin olive oil. Slowly. Okay, that's enough for the extra virgin olive oil. At that stage, I'm gonna add chopped anchovies and chopped garlic. Also a dash of Worcestershire sauce. I can never say that. There we go, a little dash. Some lemon juice, like so. And to finish, some cracked black pepper. You've noticed I didn't put any salt in this dressing because of the anchovy and the Worcester sauce. That should be it. Lovely. What I like to do in this one as well is add a little parmesan in it. There you have it, dressing done. Next, let's prepare our chicken. We want some nice strips, so cut your breast in two, like so, and so, like so. At that point we put our pan on. Wash your hands. Right, in the pan, little olive oil and a little butter, just a little knob, like so. That's getting hot. We're gonna coat our chicken breast with some flour. Right, the reason for this is your chicken will be crispier. That looks perfect to me. 7 to 10 minutes, that's what we're looking for. Always make sure your chicken is cooked through, alright? So to do that, just... And that looks good to me. Next, we're gonna toss our leaves, which have been washed and rinsed with our dressing. In the bowl, just toss it. Right, now all we need to do is compose our salad. Leaves goes next chicken. Next are croutons. Anchovy fillets. Don't be shy with them. You can use the oil of the anchovies to go on it. It's even better. And lastly, parmesan. And that's for my little touch. That's it. And here I've got some wild garlic flower, which has been soaked in water just to get rid of the nasties. Beautiful this time of year, so just make it special. There you go. There you have it, chicken Caesar salad my way. Now I wonder what my little friends got for me today. What is it? Pecorino Terre di Chianti, Italian. He's gone Italian today, never mind. I don't mind that. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, that'll be ace. And buono appetito, like we say in Italia. Cheers. Ciao, ciao.